With the iOS 15 update, photos in iPhone messages are presented in a slightly different way when you send more than one. And in this video, I'll show you how to use photo collections in iOS messages. Now let's get started. When you send multiple photos in the Messages app in iOS 15, your messages will automatically appear in a stack called a photo collection. This way, your conversation won't end up overwhelmed and cluttered with individual photos. To send a photo collection in Messages, open the conversation where you'd like to send one. Then tap the Apps icon. Tap the Photos icon. Select all the photos you want to send in your collection. If you like, you can add text to go along with your photos. When you're done, go ahead and send it. As long as the other people in the chat have their iOS device updated to iOS 15 or newer, they will automatically see your photos in the collection format. When you receive a photo collection, there are a few things you can do to interact with them. In your regular message view, you can easily swipe through to look at a collection of photos. Simply swipe left over a collection to view the next photo. If you'd prefer to see all the photos at a glance, tap the grid icon above the stack of images. This way, you can scroll through and see all the photos at once. Tap a photo to see it in full screen view. If you'd like to save all the images in a collection to your Photos app, tap the download icon. If you only want to download individual photos, hold down the photo you would like to download, then tap the download icon. That's all it takes to use photo collections in iOS messages.